Hey dolls, welcome back. Today, I'm so excited because today we have the brand new Beat Face box to dive into. Now, I was so excited when I heard about this company, and I actually heard about them right around the time of starting my channel, and I asked them if I could have a code so that, you know, not only could they help me grow, but I could help them grow. And they said, definitely. So if you have not subscribed yet to this and you want to at the end, you can use the code HeyDolls for 10% off of your first box. So let's dive in and let's see what we got. Now this is a bi-monthly company and it is $39.99 every other month. And you know, it came with a little sheet so I know every price that's in here. So let's first start with the Rouge Cosmetics Faux Mink 3D Lashes in the style Accentuate, and they are $6. Now I won't be trying on the lashes today because I've already packed up my lash glue. So, you know, they look pretty cute, pretty cute. Here is the Rouge Cosmetics blush palette that we got this month, and it was $11. You know what? I'm not wearing any blush right now. How about I put a little bit on? I'm kind of feeling this like really corally peachy color right here. I'm going to go ahead and use a brush that I got in my IPSY box this month. It is from the Beauty Crop and is the F203 powder brush. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so that went on pretty well. And it looks like it is blendable and, you know, buildable. So if you want to have way more on, go you. All right. Ooh. Next we have from Laura Geller, the Filter Fix Baking Setting Powder. And this is in the color Universal Apricot. How much is this? This was $33. Now, okay, this is my first Laura Geller thing. I feel, you know, excited. And, you know, maybe I'll feel a little bougie. Ooh, okay. Ooh, and it just went everywhere on me. Okay, so it has this little mesh thing in here. So whenever you tap your brush, it will not go everywhere. So let's just put a little bit of this on. Sometimes I do like to stay away from the colored setting powders, but you know, sometimes they still work. Oh yeah, that blends out very nicely. I just don't want to look like, you know, a big orange walking around, but it really does blend in pretty well to the skin. Oh, and look at the cap. That's so cute. It has like, you know, a little internal circle. So it can go right here on the little mesh part. Gotta love that. That's pretty cool. All right. And next we have from ColourPop. It is a lippy stick. And this one was $7 and it's in the color Trust Me. Now that's pretty red. Yeah, let's put it on the hand. Let's do a nice swatch. Yeah, that's pretty red. I haven't worn red lipstick in a really long time just because I have a lot of red undertones in my skin. But let's try this on and see. So I really like how the red looks up next to my hair color. Maybe I will start wearing red lipstick again. We shall see. And then what we have next is from, oh my gosh, again, Laura Geller. Awesome. And this is the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo in the shade Heart of Gold. This is how the packaging looks. Let's get the component out and see how she looks. Ooh. Okay, now it does say on the back that this one is shimmer and this one is sparkle. So again, sparkle, shimmer. So you know what? I really don't need a whole lot of highlight on right now. So I'm just going to take the shimmer and I'm going to use, did that brush go? Okay, so I'm going to put the shimmer on and let's see how it looks. Oh, that is pretty. Do you see that? Right there. Oh, I like how that looks. That looks very, very cute. Now, it does have a little bit of fallout in the pan. I'm not gonna lie, but for a glitter, that's kind of expected. And last, but certainly not least, we have from Steb Cosmetics an eyeshadow palette, and we got The Secret of Beauty. Now this does have 35 eyeshadows in it. Let's take off the little sleeve and let's see what she has. It does say that these are cruelty-free. It is 7 grams of product and it is made in the USA. Comes with a little insert. Wow, look at all those beautiful colors. Wow. You know, one of them is calling to me right now. And it's this really pretty blue. I think I want to do a blue eye. I haven't worn blue eyeshadow in a really, really long time. So let's just do it up. So I'm going to be taking this blue right here. And I'm just going to be using that as like my base. And you know, just to help blend everything else out. Okay, well, it's turning out more purple on the skin. Okay, we can go with that. We can do a purple blue eye. Now, mind you, I don't have any like eyeshadow primer on right now or foundation or anything really. I don't even have my setting spray because I decided I was just gonna pack up all my makeup for the move and completely forgot while I was packing it that I needed to leave some out to do my makeup. So your girl's gonna look pretty rough for the next few days, but okay. That bluish purple laid down really pretty. I like that a whole lot. And now I'm going to take this little brush, use it in my crease. I'm going to be taking, come on girl, get it together. I'm going to be taking this glittery blue right here, and we're going to be putting it all over the crease. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, hi, how are you? What's up, doll? And why don't you go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram and Snapchat are right below on the screen. All you gotta do is click. Okay, so I'm gonna continue filling in that bluish glitter. Oh no, my kitty cat can hear me from the other room. She's trying to get me. Okay, so that turned out pretty nice. So now I'm going to take, you know what? I think I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to dip it right into this darkish gray silver right here and put it all over the rest of my eye. And let's see how that looks. Oh, look at that. She's pigmented. Oh, wow, this looks really pretty. So today in Texas, it's pretty cold, a little rainy, really blah. Why don't you comment down below how the weather is where you live? And now, like I said, I'm moving starting Friday. And so it might take me a couple days to start posting again. But leave down in the comments what you think I should do next. Okay, so to finish out, I'm going to be using that same color that I just put all over the lid. I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash. Okay, so this is my Beat Face from Beat Face Box. So what do we think? I love the products. I think it's a great price for you to pretty much essentially get an entire face for 40 bucks every other month. And you know, getting a full color story like this in a palette for that price, I mean, that's a pretty good deal. I love the packaging that it came in. You know, this is great for storing makeup. I'm definitely going to be keeping this little box that it came in. What are my other thoughts? It did take a while to ship. However, they did come on Instagram and social media and let us know the reason why. And it was because a lot of these Laura Geller highlighters were broken. And I don't know about you, but I would not want a broken highlighter. Now, it would have been great if they reached out to us a lot sooner than they did to tell us this. But again, this is a new branch of their company. And, you know, they still have a lot of learning to do. Am I still going to be a subscriber? Definitely. Am I going to tell everybody about this? You betcha. Now, again, if you have not heard of this company, but yet you want to sign up now, you can use my code HeyDolls for 10% off of your first box. Just go to beatfacebox.com. And thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if no one has told you yet, you're beautiful, you're wonderful, and you're loved. Bye, all. Thanks for watching.